today's credit union review is on Tower Federal Credit Union based out of Maryland. They actually have the most assets in Maryland as of right now, believe it or not, over $4 billion in assets, okay? So I'm going to talk about this credit union. My overall opinion about this credit union is they're a pretty good consumer credit union. Why do I say consumer? Because they don't have any business products that I see. So I like this as somebody that is just trying to do great relationship banking, that, you know, has a corporate job, maybe a side hustle, that wants good rates. What I found about Tower Federal Credit Union is they're going to have some very, very competitive rates, and they got good products that I would use on a daily basis. So let's get into this. If you have Tower Federal Credit Union, please throw up a comment in the comment section. Let us know what you have. How's your experience been with Tower Federal Credit Union? I'm going to talk about the requirements to join. Then I'm going to talk about the products that they have. And yeah, we'll try to wrap this up in 8 to 10 minutes. So stick with me the entire way, and I'll drop data points through the entire video. You know how things go with these videos. They're very organic and spontaneous, we should say. All right, so first of all, there's no geo restrictions to join Tower Federal, which is super, super helpful. They are the largest credit union in Maryland. Believe it or not, they surpassed another one. I also like the fact that they don't have a hard pull to join the credit union. So that's super helpful as well. So there's no hard pull to join. Obviously, all the credit unions are pretty much going to pull check systems. So if you have a check system problem, check out my videos on check systems and how to get out of it and what is it and how to alleviate that, because that's going to be a huge thing for you to get out of check systems or not have a check system problem, so you can get these high access credit funding that credit unions give. Credit unions are the best way to help build wealth in today's economy. Banks are restricting their lending requirements, and credit unions are opening their doors because it's member owned and they're big on relationship banking. So if you have bad credit, decent credit, fair credit, get into these credit unions, build relationship with them through their products, through direct deposit, and utilizing the debit and credit cards, and you guys will be on your way to having some great products there under your credit report. So like I said, no hard pull to join, open membership through association. You guys can look at the details. I'll put the link in the description. Hard pull will be from Experian. That is kind of a negative because everybody uses Experian, but they will be pulling from Experian, and they don't have any business products. But let's get into their amazing consumer products. So the first thing we're going to look at is their loan products. So they have a personal line of credit, which I thought was really generous, from $500 to $30,000. Super low rates. I'll show you guys that as well. They also have overdraft protection. Use your personal line of credit to protect your tower checking accounts against overdrafts. If you overdraft your account, it will automatically pull from these funds. So the rate on this is 9.4. It's pretty good. Then they also have the signature loans up to $30,000, up to 72 months. So that's 6-year loans. They also have this share and certificate secured loans, so you can build credit as well. So I like the fact that personal line of credit that you can get with them. I mean, if you don't get 30,000, 10,000 is great, right? So get in the door, and this is the power of these credit unions, right? Let's say you have 5 or 10 credit unions, right? Let's just say 5 to be conservative. If you were to get $15,000 on 5 credit unions on a personal line of credit, you would literally have $75,000 in capital that you could use anytime for real estate investing or paying off 0% credit cards, things like that. The goal would be to have 5 credit unions at 10 to 15,000 credit lines. You guys can watch a video of mine on how to get one with U.S. Bank with stated income. Problems with credit unions is a lot of them are going to require proof of income. U.S. Bank does not, and you can get up to a $25,000 line of credit with U.S. Bank, but you got to establish that relationship. So check out that video in my channel about U.S. Bank. Check out all the playlists. I do videos 3 times a day too, so you don't want to miss it. Check out the latest ones from today and yesterday. So definitely try to get the plug with having 5 credit unions with $15,000 to $10,000 credit line. You guys won't regret it. It will definitely help you as a debt weapon for sure. The next one is going to be the home equity loans. Okay, so I like the fact that they do 100% of your home's equity. Closing costs are paid by Tower, and it could be tax deductible if you check with your accountant. They also have home equity loans, 5 to 15 years. Closing costs paid by Tower, 100% of your home equity, and you guys can check out the rates, which kind of goes through the CLTV, things like that. But what I want to say on the home equity line of credit, that's going to be another amazing debt weapon that you can have if you have a home and you can tap into your equity. The problem with real estate is you build that equity, right? That's a sexy word, equity, but then it's stuck there unless you sell it. So the nice thing is to use that as collateral to have a line of credit equal to your home's equity, and now you have a debt weapon that you can fund your life insurance policy with, or start a business, or all types of things. So when you have 0% credit cards, business credit cards, lines of credit, home equity lines of credit, whole life insurance, I mean, guys, you're building wealth with other people's money, and that's how you do it through the credit unions. Man, you guys got me on fire today. Let's keep going through this real quick. I like their auto loans as well, as low as 1.24 APR. That's incredible. You guys can check that out as well. So if you're looking to get a car for Turo, hire car, or a personal car, definitely check that out. Their credit cards were okay. Didn't really blow me away, but what did blow me away was no annual fee on any of the cards. The credit limits will go up to $30,000 on all of the cards, no matter which one you want to go with. 5,000 on the signature card, 1,000 on the non-signature card. And then no annual fee, like I said. You're going to have one that's a World MasterCard, great for international travel. Tower MasterCard Cashback, the reward card, the cashback, and the low interest card. That's pretty much it on Tower. Now, let me know in the comment section what you guys liked about Tower. Like you guys can see, if you guys check it out, they have a 0% balance transfer offer right now on their MasterCards. They have refis, 2.62. Auto rates of 1.24. That's almost free, people. Really, really good rates. You can refi at 1.49 on the new auto, mortgage, home equity, and then we also got the personal loan too. So like, comment, subscribe. Put a credit union you want me to guys to do a review on. What do you guys love about Tower? Throw a fire emoji if you loved it. Put a comment. Just get this video, a random comment. I don't care if it's an emoji, a question, a comment, concern. Whatever the case is, let's get this spreading in the YouTube algorithm and blow up this channel so everybody can have access to credit during this tough time. Radical Marketers signing out. Like, comment, subscribe, join the private Facebook group, and join me on Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Take care, guys. Love you.